Hey my craft friends, welcome to part 2 of our fall DIY craft series. And just in case you're new here, my name is Tracy and the channel is Sweet Bay Lane. In this video, we're going to be working with those wood canvases that can be found anywhere out in the marketplace. I just happened to find mine at the Dollar Tree in the plus section, along with some other wood supplies. With that said, let's get started with our project. Let's run down the supply list. You'll need a 5x11 wood plank. You'll also need a 12x12 wood canvas, along with some chalkboard paint, stain, and your favorite fall paint color. And finally, you'll need a fall stencil or vinyl decal. I printed this one out on my silhouette machine in a brown permanent vinyl. We start our project by staining our wood canvas. I'm going to be using my favorite gel stain by Americana in walnut. Now that we have that stained, we're going to move on to our wood plank and we're going to paint that in our favorite fall color. I'm going to be using this beautiful mustard yellow. Once we have our wood pieces prepped and they've dried, we're now going to move on and we're going to be adding our vinyl decal or our stencil to our wood plaque. I love this fall decal. I think it came out so cute. And if you want to purchase one, I'll have them available in my store at sweetbaylane.com. Look at how cute that brown is on that mustard yellow. For this next step, we're going to be figuring out where we want our wood plaque to fit on our wood canvas. Now mine worked out perfectly because I wanted a 1/2 inch around the wood plank just to frame it out. So what I'm doing here is marking the edges, then we're going to come in with our ruler and mark a 1/2 inch from those lines all the way around the other side of our wood canvas, as I'm showing you here. And once I get these marked, it will all start making sense why we had to do this step. Because once we have our marks down, we're now going to take our painter's tape and tape off a rectangle on the other opposite side of our wood canvas. And once we have it taped off and the edges have been pressed down and secured, we're now going to come in with our chalkboard paint and paint our rectangle. And don't forget, if you like what you see so far, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'd love to have you here at Sweet Bay Lane. Okay, now that it's dry, that's 2 coats, we're going to peel our painter's tape. And this is where I always hold my breath because I love perfect lines. Okay, it looks like we were successful. Now we want to attach our wood plaque. And you can do this one of two ways. You can glue it down permanently, but what I'm going to do is I want to be able to change mine out for the seasons and the holidays. So I'm going to be adding some of these Velcro dots that I purchased at the Dollar Tree. I'll add them to the back of my plaque and then glue my plaque to my wood canvas. I found the best way to do these Velcro dots is to stick them together first, then peel them away from their backing, then glue them to your wood plaque. That way all the dots line up when you put the piece down. You'll then add a touch of hot glue to the back of your dots and attach it to your wood canvas. I love how this came out. I love the simplicity of it. I love that you can interchange the pieces. And I also love it from a storage perspective because you can just store the little wood plaques and you don't have to store these big wood pieces. We then need to finish it with some hangers. Now I'm going to be using these sawtooth hangers that I purchased at Walmart. I'm going to add 2 on the back side of my wood canvas. Now you're left with this beautiful little chalkboard. Now you can use regular chalk like I'm using here, or you can use a chalk marker. I find having a chalkboard in my kitchen extremely helpful in keeping me organized. And I don't know about you, but I love the old school feel of writing on a chalkboard. How about you? Do you like writing on a chalkboard? Let me know down in the comments. Well, that wraps it up for part 2 of our Fall DIY Craft series. If you missed part 1, I'll have that linked in the description box below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, make sure and keep it crafty.